Oh my god. Nikki, did you see that?
Yeah.
Oh my god. I hate this. This drone. I fucking hate this. My stupid dog. I can't do it anymore. Dude, this is the worst game ever. Shift to run. Go. Go. Get the button. Move. Move. Oh my god. Oh no. I can't do it anymore. I can't do it. Dude, this is the worst fucking game ever. I hate this game. I can't do it. Oh, okay. I hate this stupid bird. I can't take it anymore. I know. Please, I can't take it. I can't. Go! Move! Go! Go! Move! Oh my god. I hope this drone kills itself, bro. I know. Because the game mechanics suck. It's waiting for the drone to actually press this fucking button. Oh my god. I can't believe I'm having this much trouble with Garten and Ban. I'm gonna kill myself. I hate that bird. Get the... Go! Why can't I move? That's not shit. Dude! I can't do it anymore! I can't take it! This is the worst game ever! I'm so fucking mad right now. I'm so serious. I'm so fucking mad. Fuck this game. Yeah. Fuck this stupid game, bro. I'm so pissed out of my goddamn mind. Go, hit the button. Move. Move! How the fuck was I supposed to get there? I don't understand. How many times have I died? This is like... this is way too many times. I hate you. I know. I hate this drone. I hate this game. I hate everybody in the production of this game right now. I don't hate you. How do I get over there? I did, but it wouldn't let me. I know, but I like boys and girls and I like being gay and stuff. I can't do it. I can't fucking take it anymore, bro. I feel like Siphius right now. Go. I know. Dude! You're fucking with me right now. Get the button! I hate this game. I can't do it. It's been 6 minutes. Oh my god. I think after this, I'm never playing Garten of Banban over again. Go. Go. Yes! Yes! I did it! I killed the bird! I killed the bird! Yes! I killed the bird! Oh my god! Yes! I killed the bird! Oh! Oh! I killed the bird. Nikki, aren't you glad that I killed the bird? I'm so happy I killed the bird. Oh, fuck! What do I do now? What room? Fuck you! God. Is there anything else I can do right now? What if I I can't afford to die. If I die in this game, I'm gonna kill myself. What else? What do I do now? There's not really much I can do now, huh? What if I... It's like a bajillion dollars. I don't know. What do I do now? I already killed the... I don't know. Do I I genuinely don't know what to do now. Oh. Okay. I'm gonna go check out other rooms or something. Oh! Oh, drone. Forgot how stupid my drone is. Right there. Okay, I'm gonna end the recording now because I killed the bird.